Today is Friday, August 18th, and it is 7 in the morning. And today we are doing a realistic day in my life. The reason I am up at 7 in the morning is because I have to get ready for work. Sad. I have to get ready for work. And I usually wake up at 8 in the morning, but I'm recording today, so I needed to give myself some extra time. So that's why I'm up at 7 in the morning. Today is my best friend's birthday. I'm gonna shout her out. And y'all go subscribe to her channel too. I'm gonna put it in my description box below. Her YouTube is It's Khalees, but I'm gonna put it in the description box below so y'all can subscribe to my girl. It's her birthday today. She turned the big 19. I'm gonna shut up yapping at the mouth. Just to check in with y'all, I just got out of the shower. It is currently 8:19. I'm just about to go cook breakfast for me and my fam jam. Me, my mom, and my nephew when he wakes up. My dad is at work, so he won't be getting breakfast. But I'm about to go make breakfast for us, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I make when I get in the kitchen. So let me stop rambling and let's go cook this breakfast, y'all. Okay, so y'all, this is what I'm wearing to work. I'm wearing these black jeans, dress pants, this brown tank top, and this emerald green shirt. I'm gonna put some brown boots on, obviously, and I'm gonna just show y'all what it looks like when I put these clothes on. So yeah, just hold on. So I am fully dressed for work. I have water stains right here because I had to get some out my shirt that I accidentally spilled on there. But I have on these black jeans, these brown boots, and a brown tank top, and the shirt, the hair. This is what I'm wearing. This is the fit. Boom, boom, boom. And I put some Victoria's Secret Love Spill perfume on. That's the perfume I have on. My Uber is about to come, so I'll check in with you guys when I get in the car, and I'll just record that. So yeah, see y'all when my Uber comes. 6:08 and I'm still at work. Music in the back. I don't want to get copyrighted. So I'm just checking in with you guys. I've been at work all day and I get off in about 45 minutes and don't really know what I'm going to do when I get home, but I just wanted to check in with you guys, let you know how the day is going, whatever. Going good, going great, and I'm not really doing anything else today, I don't think. If I do, I will record, but I just want to check in with you guys. Y'all, I'm inside Kohl's right now. They got music playing, but I'm gonna just show y'all what I get or whatever. But I'm inside Kohl's, so yeah. No, man.
Did you want to apply? You get 35% off your total purchase?
Yeah. Thank you.
Only you knew how much I do love you. Only you knew how much I do.
Y'all, we're at Bojangles, and this is our first time trying it. We're gonna see what it's talking about, but I'm looking at the menu to see what they got, to see what I want. They got sandwiches, biscuits, family meals, dinners, kids meals. Other beverage going on too. My mama said the tea good, so we're gonna see what the tea talking about. Oh, they got salt. They got new creamy buffalo sauce. But I'm just gonna look at the menu and see what they got. I'll pick up the camera later.
Okay, decide on it.
I want to get fries and I want to add mac and cheese,
Okay, the drink
sweet tea.
and the sauce for you.
Okay, so this is Bojangles. I just got some chicken strips, if I can get the box open. So I got some fries, some mac and cheese down there. My hands are really ashy. I just washed them. That's why. And a biscuit. And I got like some barbecue in their house style ranch. And some, if I can, this is some sweet tea. We just gonna try it together, y'all. See what it's talking about. It just look like regular old stuff. Nothing too special, but we're just gonna get into it and see. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video off. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Tune in for the next video, and thank you for watching. See you next time.